Here we are at Belief 18. By now you probably are very aware of many changes in your life. But the basic problem, a lack of self-confidence and the need to be accepted by others, probably may not yet be totally gone. Now you may or may not have this belief and the final one, although you almost certainly have some of the conditionings. To make sure you eliminate all the beliefs you actually do have, please check the first few minutes of this and the next belief. If you have this belief, use this program to eliminate it. If you don't have it, just skip to the next belief. In any case, as I've done all throughout this program, I promise you that your lack of self-confidence and your concern with the opinion of others will be totally gone by the time you're done with the program. Please continue to answer each question out loud to make sure that the belief is eliminated. This next belief, what I have to say is not important, isn't as common as many of the ones you've eliminated so far, but it is one that a large number of people hold, and it's one of the beliefs that generally underlies the fear of speaking up for oneself and asking for what one wants. Here are a few ways to know if you have this belief. Do you get anxious when you talk to people about things that are important to you? Do you get anxious speaking in front of groups? Do you frequently refrain from saying what's on your mind with the thought, what I have to say is not important? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you probably have this belief. Ultimately, the way to know if you have this belief is the same way to know if you have any belief. Say the words out loud and pause for a moment. If the words feel true or produce a negative feeling, even a small one, you have the belief. Try it right now. Please say out loud, what I have to say is not important, and then be still for a moment. Does it feel true or negative at all? If it does, you have the belief. You now know what it feels like to say these words when you have the belief. You'll say the same words out loud at the end of the process, and will experience what the same words feel like when you no longer believe the statement. Okay then, let's get rid of what I have to say is not important. If you're absolutely certain that you don't have this belief, please click Next Belief and proceed to the next belief. My voice will now stop, so you can write down this belief in the text box on your computer monitor. Click Continue when you're ready to continue with the process to eliminate the belief. What I have to say is not important.